Good morning, everyone. I welcome you back to class. We want to continue from where we stopped. We've discussed our topic is a sequence and series that we started some times ago, and we've dealt with the meaning of the sequence and series, types of sequence and series. And under the type, we say we have two, which is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. And we want us to take it one after the other. Now, we took arithmetic progression. They will look for, after the explanation, we go to n times, how we can find it, the general pattern of arithmetic progression, the first time, the common difference, and n time. And the last aspect that we need to look into is sum of AP. Sum of AP. All right. And today, that's what we are going to do, and I want you to listen carefully. All right. Now, sum of AP. Now, all right. Now, if we denote the sum of AP by xn, s subscript n, where n is a number of the terms in the series, then the last term, n time, is equal to Tn. And if it is Tn, it means that the sum will now be what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus continuation plus second to the last term, Tn minus 1 plus Tn. All right. Now let's represent it now with the general pattern. The general pattern now, which is the sum of AP xn, the first time, which is A plus second time, A plus D, third time, A plus 2D, plus continuation plus second to the last time, which is A plus n minus 1 D, the last time, plus A plus n minus 1 D. Then we can rewrite this equation like this. Now, how do you write the equation? You know, this Tn minus 1, if you put it in the place of n, that's why we have it here, n minus 1 here. And this minus 1, by the time you now open the bracket or you simplify, you now have n minus 2. That's what we have here, n minus 2. And this one, which is last time, and that's what we generated last time we made, that is A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, call this one equation 1. Now, if we added from the last term, that is from this last term, now if we add it to the first term, that is from in the opposite direction, what are we going to have? Let's see. Now, when you add it, the last term here will now turn to first term here, because we say in opposite direction, and this will be the second to the last, dot dot dot, third term, second term, first term. Then if you now write it in a general pattern, we have this. First time, if the last time here is A plus n minus 1 D, then the second to the last is going to be A plus n minus 2, close the bracket, D. The third to the last time is going to be A plus n minus 3D plus continuation like that until you get to second term and the first term. Call it equation 2. All right. Now let's add these two equations together and see what we are going to get. Let's add it. Now, this first equation here, last equation here, second equation for the first here, first term here, last term here, second term here, second to the last term, third term here, third to the last term. Then this one is second to the last term here, this is second term, last term, first term. Do you see it now? That's how you arrange it. Do you see it now? This one means there is some terms here. This dot to me, mathematics means there are some terms here that I don't know. But because I need to get the first and the last, that's what I have now. By the time I add it together, let's add it now. Let's add it now. Okay. Now, this one, A, when you add it with this one, you will get 2A plus n minus 1D. When you add this one to this, you will get 2A plus n minus 1D. When you add this one to this, you get 2A plus n minus 1D. When you add this one to this, you will get 2a plus n minus 1d. When you add this one to this, you will get 2a plus n minus 1d. You can see that each term now is equals to each other. First one here is 2a plus n minus 1d. The second one, 2a plus n minus 1d. The last term, 2a minus 1d. When you simplify it, means that 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can say I have 5 into bracket n minus 5 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. But because of this place, I don't know it. They are unknown to me, and I don't know the term, and that is why I put dot dot. Since I don't know, I cannot just write 5 because this one is 5 now. If I count it and they have the same value, you can't just say 5 into bracket 2a plus into bracket n minus 1 close the bracket d. I can't just write. Therefore, since I don't know this one, this in between here, I can just say n. And if you had this xn plus xn, that will give me 2xn. That's what we have here. Now, since I don't know it, I can just use the number. The n will be represented with the number of terms that I don't know. Therefore, I put it here. Then the number I don't know, that is n, since they have the common value, which is 2a plus n minus 1d. You see it now. Now, if I divide both sides by 2, I will have my formula, which is xn equals to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Now, let me put that because there is something I want us to explain there. I put that there, okay? And this is the what? The required formula for sum of AP. This is the formula. Anytime you add the sum of AP, this is the formula you use. Xn, n minus n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. That's the formula now. This is the formula. Okay. And I put it in this place so that you will know that in AP series, these two formulas, you need it very well. The n time, which is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1d, and the sum of the terms, which is Sn, n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, where n stands for any number and d is common difference. Is that taken? Now let's move to the next one. The next one, I said that we can also prove that xn is equals to n over 2 into bracket a plus tn, and tn is what? Last time. It means that the sum of AP is the number that we are looking for over 2 into bracket first term plus last term. And you know that our tn is a plus into bracket n minus 1d. If you put them together, you will have 2a into bracket n minus 1d, close the bracket, then n over 2. If you check this one, this star here, and the one I have before, check this one, check this formula here, and check this formula here. It's the same thing. That's why I said, if you say, maybe in your textbook, they say, oh, the sum of AP is n over 2 into bracket first term and last term. They are correct, because when we put it here as to prove, we got the same thing with this one, because this is a general proving of the sum of AP. Is that taken out? These two formula now, you need to know it very well so that you know what to apply when the question is asking. Is that taken? All right. Now let's see the examples. Okay. Now they said find the 9 times of the sequences 11, 16, 21, 26. Then second one, find the sum of the first 10 times of the sequence. And the third one, find the sum of the 7th and 9th times. Okay, the 9th time from our formula is going to give us T9 equals to A plus 8D. That's general terms. And from this series we are given, from this sequence we are given, we have A to be 6. The difference between 6 and 11 is 5. 11 and 16 is 5. 16 and 21 is 5. And 21 to 26 also is 5. Since we know that the common difference between this sequence is 5, therefore D is 5. Put it into the formula you have. 6 plus 8 times 5. We get our T9 to be 46. Is that taken? The second question says, find the sum of the first 10 times of the sequence. First 10 times of the sequence. Our formula that we just derived, which is the n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1, close the bracket d, and the 10 time means our n equals to 10, our a equals to 6, and our d equals to 5. If you put it together into this formula, we have 10 over 2 into bracket 2 times 6 plus our n is 10, 10 minus 1, close the bracket 5. Therefore, we have 2 times 6, which is 12. 9 times 5, that is 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 5, we have 45, 12. When you add this one together, you get 57 times 5, we have 258. The third question says, find the sum of 7th and 9th times. And no, the sum of 7 and 9 times is different from the first question. The second question say, find the first 10 times. First 10 times. It means that you are going to add first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time to 10th time. But this one just say, find the sum of 7th and 9th time. What you need to do is to find the time of 7, the end time of 7, and end time of 9. That is the T7 and T7, the T7 and T9. And we've gotten the value for T9. Let's quickly find the 7th time. And our seventh time, he has this formula: T7 equals to A plus 6D, and our A still remain the same as 6, and D still remain the same as 5. When you put it here now, 6 plus 6 times 5 will give us a 36. That's it now. And the question is, find the sum of the 7th and the 9th term. We now add it together, T7 plus T9. We have this 36 plus 46, and that will give us 82. Is that taken out? Therefore, we should know the difference between when they are in sum of 3, third, and second, or sum of the first 3 terms. That's the difference. That's why I put this one there. Is that taken? Okay, let's see our classwork before we round it up for today. Now, find the sum of the 11 times of AP, whose first time is 11 and the fourth time is 32. You should know what to do there. Then, second one, find the sum of the first 31 term of the progression, minus 10, minus 8, minus 6, and it continues. The third question, if minus 8xy, 19 and AP, find the value of x and y. Is that taken? Alright, that's your classwork. Make sure you do it. I believe you gained something. I still remain myself, Mr. Olayemi Adewale from Adeola Lutola College Private, Ijebu Ode. Thank you.